It's support.
From Manipur government, BJP party. What is the reason behind this?
The reason behind this is we have been given unconditional support to this government, and also right from the day, that is the 3rd of May, we have been also been interacting with them, making suggestions of how about bringing normalcy to the state. I mean, we have given a number of suggestions. These have not been acted upon. At the same time, the party, the government on its own, has not been able to control the law and order situation in the state. And as you know, recently this killing of the 6 civilians, including 3 children, innocent people, at the hands of the cookie. This has really aggravated the situation much more. At the same time, the state has been facing serious law and order situation, in the sense that there have been rampant extortion in the state. That is one issue, and another is we feel that the state government has totally failed in maintaining law and order and providing security and protection to the people of Manipur. These are the main reasons why we drew our support.
So, what would be your party's next strategy or next plan for make out peace in Manipur?
No, we have planned. We have suggested to the government that they should take up confidence-building measures, so that both the Kukis as well as the Meiteis have confidence in each other and confidence in the state government. This had not been done. Now our party will be concentrating on confidence-building measures which should bring confidence of the Kukis in the Meiteis and the Meiteis in the Kukis. That is one. Number two, we have also suggested that the national highway be kept free, so that people can move, goods can be moved. In that regard, we will also be working towards that. Then another thing is that there are more than 60,000 displaced persons living in the relief camps. Now, relief is one aspect, but what these people require is rehabilitation. In this regard, we had suggested that instead of keeping them in the relief camp, they cannot go back to their original place from where they have been displaced. So the state government should think of giving them permanent house, in the sense that give from the available land, give piece of land, and provide some fund so that they can construct their own house. I mean, that unless and until these people are provided their own house, maybe whatever shape it may be, but that is what is required. So we'll be working towards that. That is one. Then we have also suggested about peace committee. This was when Amit Shahji came. That time the peace committee was constituted, headed by the then governor, but they did not work it out. Now we'll see how we can formulate the peace committee so that that can work, so that brings it is able to remove the misunderstanding or the conflict situation in the state between the two. That is there. Then we have also asked for neutral government. By neutral government, we don't mean PR. We mean that it should be government which is looked upon as a government for all. I mean, it should not be looked upon as of right now. This government is being looked upon as a Meitei leaning government. It should be maybe a government which will be considered to be a government of the Meiteis, the Kukis, and the Nagas, Muslims, and the Nepalis, etc. Now we'll try to work towards that. That is one. So these are the measures, and slowly we'll also build up our political base. That is also there. But mainly our work will be towards restoring normalcy in the